when they kidnap their victims from Nnewi here, they drive around, go through other towns, then they blindfold their victims and keep in this place. In this place, there is a shrine behind this place and something that looks like cell. Uninhabitable place, this is where they tie their victims. The government of Anambra State, the government of Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo is taking this fight to every nook and cranny in Anambra State. Wherever these criminals are, we are taking it to them. Nobody can fight these criminals better than us. If you look here, we started in Uruagu. You see top government functionaries here, the special advisor to the governor on Homeland Security, and you have the majority leader who is also heading the House Committee on Security. And then you have the House member representing Nnewi North, in Anambra State House of Assembly. And then you have the chairman, the mayor of Nnewi North. We are all here. We are facing it. We are leading this fight. And I'm happy that while we were here, some people were also apprehended. They will give us useful information. As Mr. Governor will always say, we've not started. We are just pushing down buildings. By the time these people that are even apprehended on the spot start giving information, we will surely rid Anambra of every crime. These states will be the prosperous mega city that we are looking for, where you live, invest, work, relax, and enjoy. And that is for us. Mr. Governor says, come in, do your businesses, your legal businesses, and then go on your way undisturbed. Mr. Governor, every place you go, Yahoo Plus with Guinea 2 scale plus.